yellow-fronted woodpecker Melanerpes flavifrons is found in Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. This colorful woodpecker is only 18 centimeters long. The male has a red crown and nape, while the female has a bluish-black crown. Both have a yellow front crown, yellow cheeks, chin and throat, a wide black stripe running from the base of the bill through the eye to the nape, and a red belly. This woodpecker has a mixed diet consisting mainly of berries and fruits, but also includes seeds, insects, and their larvae.